Hello friends, I am Aditya Chaudhary. Today I will discuss about force which plays an important role in physics. In physics, force is any interaction that causes an object with mass to accelerate or deform. It is a fundamental concept that describes the influence of push and pull effect that one object exerts on one another. Force can change the motion or shape of an object. Force is typically represented as a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude, strength or intensity, and direction. The SI unit of force is Newton. N. Forces can be described mathematically using Newton's laws of motion, which provide a framework for understanding how forces affect the motion of objects. There are four types of forces: contact force, non contact force, balanced force, and unbalanced force. We will talk about contact forces. Contact force. These forces that require contact between objects are called contact forces. Example: pushing a box, pulling a rope, or kicking a ball. There are three types of contact forces: frictional force, tensional force, and muscular force. Friction. Friction is a force that opposes the relative motion between two objects in contact. It can either prevent or slow down the motion of objects. Tension force. Tension force refers to the force that is transmitted through a string, cable, rope, or any flexible connector when it is pulled on both sides but in equal magnitude and opposite direction. No motion is made during tension force. Muscular force. The force exerted by using body parts such as the arms or legs, for example, cycling, playing, etc. Non contact force. Non contact force is a type of force that is applied not in contact but with each other. There are three types of non contact forces: gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. Gravitational force. The force applied by planet's gravity is known as gravitational force. Magnetic force. Magnetic force are non contact forces that act between magnetic objects with moving charges. Magnet can attract or repel each other based on their magnetic poles. The magnetic force is also responsible for interaction between magnets and magnetic material. Electrostatic force. The electrostatic force is a non-contact force that exists between electrically charged objects. It can be attractive or repulsive depending on the charges of the objects. For instance, when two positively charged objects are brought close together, they repel each other due to electrostatic force. Balanced force. When the forces acting on an object are balanced, it means that the net force on the object is zero. In other words, the forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Cancelling each other out is called balanced force. Unbalanced force. When the forces acting on an object are unbalanced, it means that the net force of the object is not zero. In this case, the forces do not cancel each other out and there is a resulting force in a particular direction is called unbalanced force. Thank you.